Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Caltrans step-by-step installation for the rear row of a vehicle. These are just general guidelines for rear installations. Before you start your installation, most rear bottom cushions require to be removed. To do so, locate the clips on each side of the bottom of the cushion. Once located, pull up until they snap off. Once the clips have been snapped off, proceed to removing the bottom cushion. Make sure to remove the seatbelt buckles before pulling out the cushion. Next, we are going to remove the headrest. Simply press the clip in that's located right on the side, then pull up. For some vehicles, the seat folding levers are located in the trunk. Please take note that not all rear seats can be folded. Remember to remove anything that might get in your way. For instance, integrated seatbelts. Now it's time to apply the custom tailored seat cover. Make sure you have the right seat cover by matching any cutouts it might have. And now, slip over the backrest cover. Please keep in mind, however, that if your backrest is unable to fold forward, your seat cover will come equipped with laces, belts, and Velcro. Pull the cover all the way down, making sure the seams and cutouts line up. Lastly, attach any Velcro that needs to be attached. Insert the headrest cutouts under the registers to hide any unwanted visible material. Also, massage the cover down to take away any loose wrinkles and get a tighter fit. Now follow the same process for the other backrests. Remember that for some vehicles, the seat folding lever is located in the trunk. Start off by removing any integrated seat belts. And attach the seat cover from the side, like a coat. And start attaching the Velcro. Keep in mind that some seat covers will have the Velcro attached to the original upholstery. And don't forget to insert any cutouts under the headrest registers and any levers they might have. Massage the cover thoroughly to remove any loose wrinkles and to gain a tighter fit. Please feel free to do the following step outside your car. You can do this on any flat surface, like a table or the hood of your car. Match the cover with the seat with any cutouts it may have. Once you've applied the cover, make sure the laces are out on the sides. Flip over the cushion and start applying the laces with the corresponding belt. Don't over tighten the laces, however. Leave a semi-tight fit for a better fit. And don't forget the lace from side to side. This lace will help the seat cover stay in place and not move from left to right. Once you're happy with the fit on your cover, go ahead and begin to reapply the cushion on your car. Remember to reinsert the belt buckles in their appropriate locations. Push the cushion back as much as you can for the following step. Once the clips and the holders line up, reattach them together by pressing down on the cushion. In some cases, you might need to guide the clip into the holder before you start pressing down. Lastly, the headrest. Make sure the rough male Velcro is in the front and the soft female Velcro is in the back. Massage the fabric down to give the cover a better fit and to line up the seams. Reapply the headrest to your seat once you're ready. And there you have it. Easy to install, hassle-free, and ready for the road. This was a quick overview on how to install your custom tailored seat covers onto the rear seats. Thank you for joining us.